everyone, welcome back to Usha'll Try. We are now on the 11th episode of the recipe challenge. And so for today, we're actually going to do a recipe that is from Mexico. So shout out to all my Mexican friends, especially to Renata, who is a former cook and teacher at Amala. And of course to Gabby as well, who manages and owns El Catrin. Is a Mexican restaurant based here in Geneva. Go check it out. So for today, we're gonna do chicken enchiladas. That of course involves tortilla, and you have to do corn tortilla for this one instead of the wheat. I was advised that it's not the same, and of course Mexicans usually do it with corn tortillas. And we're gonna use thigh parts as well instead of breast parts, or you can also mix both, but I found that using breast part actually makes it a bit dry. So I'm opting for the thigh part because it's juicier and more flavorful. And of course, as Mexico is well known for the spice and heat, so we're gonna add as well jalapeno peppers for this one, and you can always adjust it according to what you can handle. And the last one is like for every enchilada sauce, the base, you have a tomato base sauce. So you could use as well fresh tomatoes for this one, but then I tried that as well, and you will have to actually balance the acidity and the sweetness of the sauce, a little bit of sweetness. So you can add as well ketchup or the puree tomato, or you could also just make it simple by just using a real tomato passata in a jar. So what are we waiting for? I'm actually going to show you how I actually did my chicken enchiladas. So for this recipe, of course, we're going to start with the corn tortillas. It depends on how huge your casserole is, so it can be from 5 to 8 pieces. And we're gonna use thigh part chicken, 500 grams of this, and we're gonna marinate that with a little bit of olive oil and spices. So we have here oregano, basil, cumin, paprika, salt and pepper. You can opt for chili flakes or a real dried chilies, and of course cayenne pepper for heat, and flour for actually thickening the sauce later on. We're also going to use 2 cups of chicken broth. And as for the base sauce tomato, I have here 250 grams of passata together with the cheddar cheese and 3 cheese. For our filling, together with the chicken, we're going to use 1 white onion, 2 cloves of garlic, jalapeno peppers, and a bell pepper as well. For the garnish, we have avocado and coriander. And that's it. Let's get started.